Hello students, in this video we are going to talk about some of the cue cards which you will give me so that I can make videos of that cue cards, and in future whatever the cue cards you will be giving me in the comment sections, I will be making the videos, exact videos in English, and if you want that videos in your language like Hindi and Punjabi, I will definitely make videos in that languages also. So what you need to do is go to my comment section of this video and just write down your favorite cue card or that cue card which you want to listen in my voice, and I will try to make a video on that topic specifically. Okay, and I will definitely mention you in my video. So let's write that cue card down in my comment section. And if you want to join the Ielts classes at my institution, online and offline, you can just call me 99147895567, and I will pick up your call and we will have some discussion, and you can start your classes at my institution at the nominal fraction of cost, and also you can join the demo classes. Let's subscribe my channel and hope you will see me in your feed.